Welcome to Mithaki Architecture Design Ideas channel. Imagine a place where the hustle and bustle of daily life fade away, replaced by the soothing sounds of a river gently flowing through the forest, the rustling of leaves in the breeze, and the occasional hum of bees. This is more than just a house, it's a retreat into nature's embrace. Welcome to a charming stone cottage, nestled beside a serene stream, where rustic charm and modern comforts merge seamlessly. Built from sturdy stone and surrounded by lush gardens, this idyllic getaway offers a peaceful sanctuary where time seems to slow down. Let's take a closer look at this perfect escape and explore the tranquility it offers. A home rooted in nature. Constructed from solid, time-worn stone, this enchanting cottage feels as though it has naturally emerged from the earth itself. The stones, weathered by time, carry an ancient energy, blending effortlessly with the surrounding landscape. The flower beds encircling the house burst with a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors, rich purples, radiant yellows, and fiery reds that stand in joyful contrast to the calm, silvery grey of the river winding past. The air is fragrant with the scent of wildflowers and fresh earth, and here, time feels as if it's slowed to a gentle rhythm. The only sounds are the soothing rush of the stream, the soft rustling of leaves in the breeze, and the distant hum of bees busily fluttering from one bloom to another, completing their dance in perfect harmony with the surroundings. a haven of peace and tranquility. Nestled deep within the embrace of towering pines and oaks, this cozy retreat offers a rustic charm that invites you to leave behind the stress of everyday life. The warm, honey-toned wooden interiors radiate a welcoming atmosphere, making the space feel like a true sanctuary. The bed, piled with soft blankets and pillows, promises restful nights, while the window beyond offers a stunning view of the still, turquoise lake glimmering in the light of the day. Every detail is designed for relaxation, from the inviting armchairs perfect for unwinding to the serene landscape that stretches beyond, providing a constant reminder of the peace that comes from being so deeply immersed in nature. As you drift off to sleep, let the gentle lullaby of the forest, the whispering wind, the rustling trees, and the occasional call of an owl soothe you into a restful slumber. In the morning, awake to the first golden rays of sunlight spilling through the trees, bathing the room in a soft, warm glow. Nature and design in perfect harmony. This stone cottage is more than just a dwelling, it is a perfect fusion of nature's raw beauty and thoughtful design. The gardens that surround it have been carefully landscaped to enhance the natural beauty of the site, with meandering stone paths that lead to hidden corners, blooming shrubs, and towering trees that create a lush, vibrant backdrop. A nearby waterfall's soft murmur flows through the air, adding a serene soundtrack to the days spent here. The design inside the cottage is equally harmonious, with exposed wooden beams, warm stone walls, and large windows that frame picturesque views of the river and the surrounding forest. Outside, the inviting patio beckons, with comfortable seating where you can relax, enjoy the view, and take in the serenity. A wooden swing, gently swaying in the breeze, offers the perfect place to sit, close your eyes, and reflect on the natural beauty around you. gathering place for unforgettable moments? Imagine a crisp autumn evening, the air filled with the earthy scent of fallen leaves as you sit around the fire with family and friends. The flames crackle and pop in the stone fireplace, their warm glow flickering across your faces. The sound of the lake lapping gently against the shore creates a peaceful backdrop to your laughter and conversation. Whether you're enjoying cozy winter nights wrapped in blankets or sun-drenched afternoons with a cool drink in hand, this stone cabin by the shimmering lake is the perfect place to create memories that will last a lifetime. The stunning natural beauty of the landscape adds to the magic of the momentane endless vista of clear blue water, rolling hills, and vibrant forests stretching far into the distance. The ultimate escape. Imagine waking up to a misty morning, the mountain peaks shrouded in a soft veil of fog, the air crisp and invigorating. The morning sun filters through the branches of the trees, casting a soft, golden light across the forest floor. As you stretch and take a deep breath, you feel a profound sense of peace, knowing you are completely immersed in nature's embrace. Whether you're curling up with a good book by the fire, sipping coffee on the sun-drenched deck, or simply sitting and listening to the peaceful flow of the river as it winds through the landscape, this retreat offers a complete escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's the perfect place to disconnect, recharge, and reconnect with the things that truly matter. What if the ultimate escape was not just about getting away, but about reconnecting with the natural world, slowing down, and finding peace? This stone house by the stream is that escape place where the only thing you need to focus on is the beauty of your surroundings and the joy of quiet moments. Whether you're relaxing by the fire with loved ones, reading a book on the deck, or simply listening to the river flow by, this retreat offers a profound sense of calm and serenity. So, what do you think? Would you like to spend a weekend here, surrounded by the peaceful beauty of nature? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tranquil getaways. See you soon.